Looking to transform your life and achieve unprecedented success? Look no further. Join our Secrets of Success newsletter and embark on a journey of self-discovery and growth. In just 2 minutes a day, receive inspiring emails inspired by success philosophers like Napoleon Hill and Orison Swett Marden. With our free subscription, you'll gain access to the wisdom of legendary authors who have empowered millions to unlock their true potential. Join the ranks of 172,714 entrepreneurs who have already subscribed to the best marketing email list out there. Discover the secrets to thinking and growing rich, as inspired by the legendary Napoleon Hill. Learn the 5 things not to do for ultimate success and delve into the power of autosuggestion. In just 12 quick lessons, master the art of manifesting abundance and achieving your dreams. Our featured authors, including Napoleon Hill and Orison Swett Marden, have revolutionized the self-help genre with their timeless teachings. Napoleon Hill, renowned for his groundbreaking book, Think and Grow Rich, will guide you towards attaining unparalleled success. Orison Swett Marden, a pioneer in self-improvement, will inspire you with his belief in the power of attitude and hard work. Unlock the secrets of success with our exclusive newsletter. Don't miss out on this opportunity to create a life of abundance and achievement. Subscribe now and unleash your true potential.